Hi, this is Paul for the Pond Guy, here to show you how to perform maintenance on the AllClear G2 pressurized filtration system. The AllClear G2 filter requires minimal attention throughout the season. However, over the course of the year, the UV bulb and filter media pads degrade and become less and less effective. To ensure your pond water stays crystal clear, we recommend replacing the UV bulb and filter media once per year. The tools and items you'll need to complete the maintenance are a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a replacement UV bulb, a replacement quartz sleeve if yours is damaged or cracked, a soft damp cloth, and replacement filter media pads. Before performing any maintenance, always unplug your pump and the AllClear G2 filter from the power source. First, use your number 2 Phillips screwdriver to remove the 4 screws securing the UV on the filter top. Then unscrew the compression nut and gently pull out the quartz sleeve. Now, gently pull on the base of the UV bulb to remove it. Next, insert the new bulb, taking care not to touch the bulb as the oils from your hands can cause damage. Be sure to transfer the rubber protective cap from your old bulb onto the new one. Now clean the quartz sleeve with a soft cloth or sponge. You may find the use of an equipment cleaner helpful for removing debris. The quartz sleeve should be cleaned yearly or when water clarity is reduced. If the quartz sleeve is scratched, damaged, or cracked, it should be replaced. Now, reinstall the O-ring, quartz sleeve, and compression nut and screw to lock into place. Finally, insert the UV back into the filter top and secure the 4 screws. Be sure the screws are tight enough to hear the UV click into place. Temporarily plug in the UV to test. The indicator light will turn on if the UV is working. To replace the filter media pads, slide the clamp on the filter to the open position and remove the filter top. Remove the 2 screws holding each of the rods into the filter media base. Replace the media, keeping the pads in the same alternating order. Place the base back onto the filter media and secure. Finally, replace the filter top onto the filter canister. Be sure the O-ring is properly seated and secure with the filter clamp. The AllClear G2 filter should not be operated during freezing temperatures and should be disconnected, drained, cleaned, and stored for the winter. For more expert tips, visit us online at thepondguy.com or give us a call at 866-POND-HELP.